Hey, introduce yourselves. My name is. Hey, Hurricanes, y'all travel before. You got the tails and the heads and one time. What did you say? Heads, tails, you want to toss me. First thing I asked.
Let's go, let's get it.
Down this way. Come
on this side, y'all. Bring it over here. Alright, so Saw Boyz won the first and second half. Shake hands, fellas. Good luck to y'all. Good luck.
Wide open, number 4. Is that great catch by number 4? backfield pass. Another deep one. And it looked like King. Has it. Oh, up the middle. Oh, and he takes off again. Drop it. Oh. And that's touchdown. Across the middle, interception. Number 8 has it. Ooh, nice stiff arm. Drop back. Nice pass to Stacy. And he's still going. Trick play, and he's wide open. Nice play by the Legacy. Hand off to King. Another one of King. QB. Sneaks. That's a touchdown. Got a motion to draw back. Stacy with the run. Nice pass. Ain't no lights out here. Nice run up the middle by King. And he is a playmaker. Gotta keep an eye on that guy. Nice stop by Hurricane. QB sneak. McAllister for the return. I'm sure they weren't expecting. Ooh. Try to make something happen with a gain about. My brother. Drop back. It's a pass to Stacy, and he catches it. It's a pass. Great completion to DJ Dent. This is a great game, a great matchup, yearly rival, and they called the ball game due to the lights.
You know, boys play phones, he make them bad as shit start freaking. I got feet out staying out the top, and that's how I got, you know, no control of the Muslim and bitch. Bitch, I'm real American, man. Bitch, I come from
The best in Central Ohio. Tell them Hard Knock Sports sent you. The best sports film crew in Ohio. Yes, yes, sir.
So ball out, keep at it, keep going. Lil' homie, it's going at it. Hard Knocks captures the moments to make sure it don't pass you. And we
can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved.